I would give you the syntax here. So the syntax would be like this. You can get it from my GitHub website. Let me go here, and then the syntax would be like this. See this? This is an example syntax which I mentioned here. So I'm opening my notepad. Yeah. Okay, so what we're gonna do is WP is the command line, and then search hyphen replaces the syntax. There should be a syntax here, and then mentioning old URL with the new URL. Okay, and this is a skip column and it's called GUID. You can leave this apart. Now what we're gonna do here is, here I'm gonna type own learning.click. You search for the own learning.click. HTTPS, remember we have made it as HTTPS, and you replace it with this IP, the new IP which I'm getting. So the new IP would be, what is the new IP? This IP. Copy this IP and then you paste it here, Control V, right? So it will search for this one and it will replace it with this one in your database within a second. You don't need to manually do that how we did it before. In order to do that, you have to go to cd var www/html ls, and you have to be here in this folder where you have installed your WordPress. Now clear the screen, right click, paste as plain text, enter. See, it has made 3 replacements. Done, all done. Now what we're gonna do here is, I'm gonna copy this public IP and I'm gonna open in a new incognito window, and then one moment. Yeah. So I'm going to type http:// enter. Now you'll get the web page. This is fine. But if you click on my home page, you should not get the old URL ownlearning.click something. It should give the same IP here. So click on this. Now you will see now you have the same IP. Only thing changing is IP, but rest of the things are same. So this is a perfect thing. So now you know how to go into the database, how to change something with the help of the WP-CLI tool. So just remember that this tool will be very, very handy when you're doing this one. Okay. So perfect. Now what we're gonna do next is, next I'm gonna do, let me close this, and I will ping this. Maybe I will add this in the notepad or somewhere in the notes, so that you can copy and paste it, or you can type this, no problem. Now the next thing is, I'm gonna close this. Okay, cool. Okay, what is next? Now I don't want this AMI, so I don't want this instance. I want to terminate the instance. Click on terminate, the instance will be terminated. That's fine. Cool. Now I'm gonna talk about bootstrapping. When I say bootstrapping, what happens is, what do you mean by boot? Boot means when you turn on the laptop, the system will boot. That's the name. The system will boot up, and then it will give the user screen. The same thing, strapping means when the system is booting, you're adding some automated program to install automatically, to do some task automatically. So we call it as a bootstrapping. Okay. Now, in order to do that, what we're going to do here is, okay, one moment. Okay guys, maybe what I'll do here is, the bootstrapping part I will continue in the next video. So for now, please do this experiment, whatever we have done. Just work on that, and then we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys.